So guys, ayan na ang ating pork and tofu with Tausi, black beans. Yummy! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook pork and tofu with Tausi black beans. Yep, I got the recipe from my auntie in California. There she is, my pretty auntie. Hello, how are you? Shout out to you. And thanks for the recipe. And this is what she made. So yummy. So I'm gonna teach you how to cook this. And there are some who already knew how to cook this pork and tofu recipe, but this is for the people who still doesn't know how to cook. So this is for you guys. So keep watching. So, and I'll show you the ingredients. There are only a few ingredients. So we need ginger, onion, garlic, and tomato. Of course, we need the pork. And this the black beans, the Tausi. And we need tofu, and we need the cornflour because I'm going to dip the tofu with the cornflour. Yeah. So let's start, guys. So guys, we should cut this into cubes, the pork, and let it boil. So yeah, haluin lang natin siya. At ipiprito natin siya. So guys, while we are boiling the pork, let's slice the tofu. This much. And then let's dip it in the corn flour. Set aside natin siya. So ayan guys, tuyo na siya. Lagyan natin siya ng oil. Ayan. Then prito lang natin siya. Guys, toasted na siya. Then start na tayo mag-saute ng garlic, ginger, onion, and tomato. Let's start with ginger. Garlic. Then guys, tanggalin lang natin ang liquid. Yan. Ilagyan na natin ang Tausi. Pepper. Cut into cubes. And tofu with Tausi, Blackbeans. Yummy! So, ito na ang ating, this is the result of this pork and Tausi with black beans. Yep! Pork and tofu pala. Thank you for watching, guys. So, see you on my next video. Hugs to all. Bye, everyone. Thanks to my auntie. And thanks also for always playing and sharing my video. Bye.